We're going to use this United Healthcare OTC benefit card at CVS. So here's a Neosporin. There's an OTC eligible tag on it. We're on the Healthy Benefits app. Log in, however you have it set up. And see your balance. Credit $40. Shop in store. Product scanner. This qualifies.
Prescriptions ready for Barnes.
Okay, so this doesn't work in the self-checkout, so I have to get help purchasing this.
That took $40 off. Your remainder is $227.
So now I owe $227. Let's see if I can use the rewards card.
And then you can swipe that one.
Hold on.
It's not saying that it has anything.
I'll just have to use my personal card in here.